Namaste. Welcome to our online Hindi class. In this course, we will be teaching you how to speak Hindi from the very basics. So let's get started. Today, we will be focusing on the topic of question words in Hindi Part 1. As you all know, question words are extremely important in the Hindi language. Without them, we cannot obtain information about any particular topic. In today's class, we will be learning these question words. So let's get started. In English, what, which means kya. In Hindi, I will repeat this, what, kya, what, kya. Next question word, in English, when, which means kab. In Hindi, I will repeat this, when, kab, when, kab. Next question word, in English, where, which means kaha. In Hindi, I will repeat this, where, kaha, where, kaha. Next question word, in English, why, which means kyun. In Hindi, I will repeat this, why, kyun, why, kyun. Next question word, in English, who, which means kaun. In Hindi, I will repeat this, who, kaun, who, kaun. Next question word, in English, which, means kaun. In Hindi, I will repeat this, which, kaun, which, kaun. Next question word, in English, whom, which means kisko. In Hindi, I will repeat this, whom, kisko, whom, kisko. Next question word, in English, whose, which means kiska. In Hindi, I will repeat this, whose, kiska, whose, kiska. Next question word, in English, how, which means kaise. In Hindi, I will repeat this, how, kaise, how, kaise. Next question word, in English, how many, which means kitne. In Hindi, I will repeat this, how many, kitne, how many, kitne. Next question word, in English, how much, which means kitna. In Hindi, I will repeat this, how much, kitna, how much, kitna. Next question word, in English, until when, which means jab tak. In Hindi, I will repeat this, until when, jab tak, until when, jab tak. Next question word, in English, since when, which means kab se. In Hindi, I will repeat this, since when, kab se, since when, kab se. Next question word, in English, from when, which means kab se. In Hindi, I will repeat this, from when, kab se, from when, kab se. Next question word, in English, for how long, which means kab se. In Hindi, I will repeat this, for how long, kab se, for how long, kab se. Next question word, in English, with whom, which means kiske saath. In Hindi, I will repeat this, with whom, kiske saath, with whom, kiske saath. Next question word, in English, for whom, which means kiske liye. In Hindi, I will repeat this, for whom, kiske liye, for whom, kiske liye. Next question word, in English, about whom, which means kiske बारे में. In Hindi, I will repeat this, about whom, किसके बारे में, about whom, किसके बारे में. Next question word, in English, towards whom, which means किसकी तरफ. In Hindi, I will repeat this, towards whom, किसकी तरफ, towards whom, किसकी तरफ. Next question word, in English, by whom, which means किसके द्वारा. In Hindi, I will repeat this, by whom, किसके द्वारा, by whom, किसके द्वारा. practice these phrases in your daily routine and try to use Hindi as much as possible. Also, visit our YouTube channel for more resources and practice exercises. Thank you for joining our class today, and please let us know if you would like to know any specific topics or statements which we will post in our next video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.